Hey, real estate investors, one of the things that we all need to be paying attention to is property preservation. And we've all heard of the SimpliSafe system and for, kind of security purposes. But I really like SimpliSafe for purposes of property preservation, making sure that the heat is on, that there's no water at the property. And if there is water, I'm alerted to it. So the SimpliSafe system is really, really simple to set up. You have it sent to your house, you order it online, and they always have really spectacular sales. This is what I call the ultimate investor package. And this is all you really need to really maintain or preserve your property. They're going to send you out the base station that plugs into the wall, cellular based. So you don't need to have Wi-Fi at the property. That's awesome. You're going to get your keypad that's on there where it can be activated, deactivated. You need to give the listing agent what the code is and whatever you set that to. So that comes with the package. There's one security item that I do use, which is a motion detector. And I'm going to place this in the property. I'm going to place it on the wall, probably in the corner, somewhere near the front door of the house. That's where people are going to be coming in and out on a regular basis. So I like the motion detector. I don't put the little stickies on all the doors and every window. You'd spend a year putting that stuff on there. A motion detector, anybody that walks by it, boom, we gotcha. And the alarm would go off at that point if they did not deactivate the alarm when they came in. Now, property preservation items. There's a water puck. I'm going to place this in the lowest part of the home. So if I have a property that has a basement and maybe there's a floor drain, I'm going to place this very close to that area. So if there's any water that gets into the home, let's say a pipe bust, and water starts flowing down, it's going to go to the lowest point and then down into the drain. So having a water puck like this is going to alert you if there's water at your property. Another key item, if you don't want to get water in your property, is make sure you've got heat on. This is the temperature sensor. This is going to send you alerts to your phone if the temperature rises or falls below a particular temperature. So if it's at 100 degrees, you know your house is on fire. If it says 46, it means your furnace isn't working. So something that's a really, really simple thing. This is the complete package here. And they also give you some nifty little stickers you can put on the window. And they even give you like a little stake that goes in the ground with a little sign. I encourage you to put that out there. That's just to prevent somebody from doing something bad at the property. But really, I'm using SimpliSafe more to monitor my property for water, for heat, and then security is kind of like the third item that I'm looking at is I'm more concerned about pipes breaking and I'm more concerned about the furnace not working at the property than I am of somebody coming in and trying to steal stuff. And this is doing this for many, many years. I've seen many more homes that have had water in their frozen pipes, furnaces out, and then I have with people that have been stealing stuff out of property. So a majority of our homes are vacant, so there's not a whole lot that could be stolen at the property. So again, and this whole system to monitor it, and this is the key thing on SimpliSafe. When you're on their website, they have these different plans. And many of the plans, you got to kind of like look down and look for the one that's like 73 cents a day to monitor the property because you don't have cameras. This system will not work with a camera. It is cellular based, but it can't handle video recording and stuff like that. So this is just a standalone system here and very, very easy to use. And you have your app and you're being alerted to temperature, water, and motion. And those are the only things that I think you really need for a property. Now, you can expand the system into something much greater. That's totally up to you. This is what I call the investor package. So hopefully that helps. And as always, check out our website, chaseforeclosure.com. Thanks.